If you're looking for a travel trailer with more living space and heightened amenities without breaking the bank, then you're in luck. Meet the Coleman Lantern, a conventional travel trailer lineup built exclusively for Camping World by Keystone RV. Today, we'll dive into the floor plans, key specs, notable features, construction, and towing considerations for the 2026 Keystone Coleman Lantern, an upscale offering in America's best-selling travel trailer lineup. All right, starting with the layouts, you'll find 5 unique floor plans. There's 2 bunkhouses, perfect for families with young kids, and 3 couple-centric models, including a rear bath under 30 feet, a rear entertainment perfect for movie nights, and a rear kitchen for aspiring camp chefs. The lineup ranges from just under 30 feet to nearly 37 feet long, with dry weights starting at roughly 6,400 pounds and reaching nearly 7,700. That means a few will be towable by more capable SUVs, but most are going to require a full-size truck. But we'll get into towing a little bit later. So what sets the Coleman Lantern apart from other manufacturers and brands out there? Well, these aluminum-sided travel trailers are really defined by the big 6 features. Starting in the kitchen, they've added an oversized 16 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator that is standard in all models. The expansive solid surface countertops provide abundant space for meal prep and RV appliances. In the living area, you get a 50 or 65-inch TV, depending on the model. The bathroom boasts an elongated porcelain toilet reminiscent of a residential design, and they expanded the shower to 30 by 40 inches for a bigger, better bathing experience. Try to say that one 3 times fast. And finally, every bedroom is centered around a 70 by 80-inch king bed. Big fridge, big TV, big toilet, big shower, big bed, big windows, solid surface countertops. Coleman Lantern is out to prove that bigger really is, in fact, better, but it doesn't have to cost more. So let's take a closer look at those 5 unique interiors from smallest to largest just to see how they do it. And we're going to start with the 25 RVs. This spacious rear bath floor plan is perfect for couples and features a super slide with a booth dinette across from an L-shaped kitchen, a 50-inch TV mounted on a swinging pantry door across from theater seating, and a cozy king bed suite at the front, all in a state park-friendly package that is under 30 feet. Now in the 25 Rex, it's all about the views of the colossal 65-inch TV on the rear wall. But they didn't forget your campsite view from this thoughtfully designed campside kitchen either. The dinette and theater seats have great entertainment views, and that space feels totally separated from your primary front bedroom, making it as easy to disconnect and unwind as it is to stay up to date on your favorite sports or shows while you're camping. Next, our first bunkhouse is the 28 BHS, which includes smart family-friendly designs like a secondary access door to the rear bathroom, double bunks with steps for easy access, a pantry in addition to the hidden shelves for dry storage, and a jackknife sofa that easily converts for additional sleeping space. And yes, a pocket door separates the bedroom, so mom and dad get some privacy when needed. With the 29 RKS, you get a mix of chef-friendly features combined with extra seating, great for hosting or sleeping guests. Can anyone say ideal for the grandparents? The expansive rear kitchen has more counter space than some small apartments, and theater seating plus a jackknife sofa means everyone has a comfy place to relax and watch TV. That TV, which just happens to be mounted on a televator lift so that you can enjoy even more counter space when it is retracted. And last but certainly not least, the 32 BHS offers a truly private rear bunk room, ideal for families with slightly older kids. It's a bath and a half layout too, so everyone gets their sleeping space and wardrobe storage with an added touch of privacy. There's even a separate entry door directly into that half bath, keeping the primary bathroom and living area just a little cleaner. So 5 floor plans for small families, couples, families with older kids, and maybe even grandparents who love to host. But what's under the hood, under the skin, so to speak? Well, every Coleman Lantern is built on a rugged I-beam frame with stamped cross members and full outriggers for additional support, electric stabilizer jacks, and most importantly, color-coded wiring for easy troubleshooting and solar prep. With inverted outlets, you already have added usability if you choose an upgraded Keystone solar package. To accommodate larger appliances like the 16 cubic foot fridge, Keystone increased the sidewall height to deliver 82-inch interior ceilings. That helped to create space for additional advantages, such as larger dinette storage on guided drawers and deeper kitchen drawers with full-height sidewalls, all built by Keystone's in-house cabinetry and carpentry departments. Other notable construction features include an upgraded smooth front cap with thicker gauge material, a fully walkable roof, a heated and enclosed underbelly, flush floor slide-outs with a 72-inch slide height, in-floor heating ducts, and thermoplastic duct joiners to prevent separation or impingement and help ensure greater efficiency of your cooling systems. Although the Coleman Lantern's construction is impressive, it won't mean much unless you can tow it where you want to camp. While the best way to determine towing capacity is to utilize a tool like our towing guide and simply input the year, make, model, and trim package of your tow vehicle, we'll still provide an overview of what vehicles can safely tow your Coleman Lantern. Now, as I previously mentioned, the lengths range from just under 30 feet to nearly 37 feet, with dry weight starting at roughly 6,400 pounds and reaching almost 7,700. Factoring in cargo capacities, their gross vehicle weight ratings range from about 7,700 to 9,500 pounds. So in the SUV realm, options like the Ford Expedition, Toyota Sequoia, and Dodge Durango may handle the lighter models, but we're talking full-size trucks if you want the added confidence that comes with a truck designed for RV towing. Now, options like the Ford F-150, Silverado 1500, and Toyota Tundra give you the extra towing capacity you can rely on for longer RV road trips. Coleman Lantern, right? It's a larger conventional build with more living space and added amenities without breaking the bank. What can I say? Keystone really delivered. So where can you learn more or see these intriguing floor plans in person? Simply stop into your local Camping World. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see ya.